Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and for today's video it's a little bit different than what you're used to seeing from me because it is time for a new giveaway. I was actually planning on doing a giveaway when I've reached my 30k subscribers, but Born Pretty Store actually contacted me to ask if I wanted to celebrate their 10-year anniversary and host a giveaway for you guys. So if you want to know more about it and actually enter, because everyone can, it's open internationally, just check out what you can win first. So Born Pretty Store has asked me what I would love to give away to you guys, so I was like, let's just do a cute stamping kit. As you can see, there are 4 plates, which I actually own 3 of myself and I love them so much. There are 4 stamping polishes, and if you've been hanging around with me here at my YouTube channel, you know that I'm a big fan of their stamping polishes. There's actually a stamper, a scraper, there's liquid latex, there is a tweezer to actually remove the liquid latex, and there's another like oil item in there as well, which is really handy to use. So yeah, I am pretty excited for you guys, and yeah, I'm actually able to give away 5 sets in total, so there will be 5 winners, or at least more chance for everyone to win, because I've never had a giveaway before in which I can actually give away 5 complete sets, which is awesome. So thank you so much, Born Pretty Store, for hosting this together with me. So yeah, let me just get into the rules, how to enter and so on in a little bit, but just take a moment, let those beautiful image plates, stamping plates sink in, take them up in your brain. Just, oh, they're so cute. And to be honest, I'm a big fan of their stamping plates, and the one with all the caskets on, oh, it's so gorgeous. I still have to use it, by the way, but yeah, let's get into all of the rules on how to enter and so on. So of course you have to be one of my subscribers. Make sure it is publicly so I can actually check and see if you are subscribed, if you're one of the winners. Leave a comment down below to enter with a valid Instagram name or an email address so I can actually contact you. And also let me know in the comment down below what you like best about Halloween season, because I'm a big Halloween freak, I'd say. I love it so much. Unfortunately, it's not celebrated that big here in the Netherlands, but yeah, if it was up to me, the entire world would be really spooky during the month of October. This giveaway is open internationally. You have to be 18 years old or have your parents or guardians' permission. The 5 winners will be randomly picked by myself and contacted by me as well to get all of your personal information and so on, and I will send that information to Born Pretty Store so they can actually ship out the prizes themselves. So yeah, I really hope you're going to enter. You can enter this giveaway from today, October 9th, throughout October 16th. In the weekend after, I will randomly pick the winners and contact them in the week after. So yeah, thank you guys so much for entering, watching my videos, and your ongoing support. And I love to see you guys in one of my next videos.